Welcome back to Sid Vlog. In this episode, we will explore history of Dubai, Old Dubai area, Al Sif area, Spice Souk, Gold Souk, and Perfume Souk. Stay tuned. Welcome to Dubai series. This entire series starts from leaving home and reaching Mumbai airport 6 hours before the flight to do a rapid RT-PCR test. After a long wait, boarding hustle to register on an ICA site, we leave the country to reach Sharjah. When first SIM card, then a RT-PCR test and an hour-long taxi ride to hotel in Burjuman. I highly recommend City Seasons Hotel as it's conveniently located near metro, malls, restaurants and central to the old and new Dubai. So before exploring the city, let's first understand what is the history of Dubai and which events took place in the past which transformed a small fishing village into an advanced global financial center. It all starts back in around 1960, where Sheikh Rashid Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai dynasty, visited London and was so impressed by the city that he decided to build a similar city. With excellent planning from Sheikh Rashid and then later by his son Muhammad Maktoum, Dubai never looked behind. The world was never sure, but the king kept progressing by building biggest international airport, Emirat Airlines in 1980s, world's first 7-star hotel in 2000 and tallest building in 2010. Today, Dubai holds several Guinness Book Records, a major holiday destination for everyone across the globe. So with this history and a short nap, we'll leave to explore the roots of Dubai, the old Dubai. We started from Dubai Museum. Unfortunately, it was closed, so we walked to Al Sif. Al Sif is a very interesting place as it sits at a place where Dubai existed during 1950s. The only difference being, one of the builder here demolished the entire place and recreated the similar ambience with a luxury in it during 1917. This place spreads around Dubai Creek for 1.8 kilometers and now a heritage kind of a site where you can shop, eat and do boating. These small boats here are called dhow and charge 2 dirhams to cross the channel from Al Sif to Deira. We hopped on it to reach the other side called Deira, where you can find all sort of souks, basically different sections for different sort of shopping or marketplace. We first explored Spice Souk, which is very unique as they bring different spices from India, Middle East and Africa. Later we moved to Gold Souk to visit biggest gold ring and biggest gold market of the world. Once you are in Gold Souk, near the gate number 2, Perfume Souk is not to be missed, as you can find excellent craftsmen who can give you exact copy of any perfume in the world in just fraction of a money. Also, if you are a fan of attar or oud fragrances, then visiting this shop will give you the best quality. That's all from this day folks. In the next video we will explore Burj Khalifa and Desert Safari.